50 successful years in the life of an organization don't just happen. Half a century can only be the outcome of consistent vision, perfect mission, innovation, productivity, professionalism, and most importantly, the flexibility to reinvent the entity in the face of an ever-changing scenario. The Indian Institute of Packaging, IIP, is a national apex body set up in 1966 by the Packaging and Allied Industries and the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, with the specific objective for promotion of the export market and also to improve packaging standards at the national level. The institute began its activities in a very humble way with its head office at Mumbai, and now it has expanded with branches located at Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, and Guwahati. The institute has close rapport with international organizations like World Packaging Organization and Asian Packaging Federation to meet the growing demand from industrial units in both the organized and unorganized sector for qualified technical manpower. The institute offers several long-term and short-term programs. The Postgraduate Diploma in Packaging, PGDP, the Distance Education Program, DEP, the Intensive Training Course, ITC, the Executive Development Program, EDP, the One-Month Entrepreneurship Development Program. IIP is probably the first packaging institute in the world to hold training programs for women entrepreneurs. Besides training programs, seminars, national and international conferences on specific subjects of a day to a week duration are also organized by the institute across the country. The institute also conducts residential training programs for African citizens and member countries of WPO and APF at its campus in Mumbai. The institute has state-of-the-art infrastructural facilities at all its centers to provide an excellent environment for research, education, and training. The institute's library is acclaimed as one of the best libraries in the world in the field of packaging, with a stock of more than 9,000 textbooks, journals, and periodicals sourced from all over the world. The Research and Development Division of the institute has 3 cells, namely Testing and Certification, Consultancy and Projects, and R&D cell. The institute has well-equipped testing laboratories with more than 180 types of precision-based equipment and the capacity to carry out more than 350 types of tests on all forms of packaging material and packages. Under Consultancy and Projects, the institute carries out advisory visits for the improvement of packaging systems to provide spot suggestions and useful guidelines for reduction of manpower, more efficient production, and use of alternative packaging materials. Research and Development is a new wing of the institute. A technology innovation center focuses on the R&D of alternative packaging materials, shelf life studies for perishable goods, and the optimization of packaging standards. The institute publishes a bi-monthly magazine called Packaging India, a technical magazine in the field of packaging. The institute conducts national and international packaging exhibitions under the banner of India Pack. The international exhibition, called India Pack, is conducted by the institute every 3 years. IndPack, the annual national exhibition organized at various cities around the country, offers the packaging industry an opportunity to display the latest trends and technology on packaging materials and machinery. The institute also participates in well-known international packaging exhibitions to explore export possibilities of Indian packaging materials and packages. The institute organizes the India Star Awards, the National Award for Excellence in Packaging, to promote and encourage excellence in packaging design, innovation, and sustainability. The Pack Machine Award, also symbolizes achievement in the field of packaging and converting machinery, material handling, and testing equipment. These awards are biannual events organized by the Institute to motivate the Indian packaging industry.
It's a proud moment for me to mention here that this prestigious institute has successfully completed its 50 years, and the Golden Jubilee year is being celebrated by the institute from 14 May 2015 to 14 May 2016. First of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to the Department of Commerce, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, the esteemed members of the governing body, and the dedicated employees of the institute and the entire packaging fraternity for their constant support to make this institute from a tiny organization to a national body in the field of packaging. The Secretariat of APF has also been shifted from Thailand to India for the last 3 years. As per the published statistical data, about 86% of packaging material is consumed for processed food products, including beverages. Considering this importance of this subject, the institute have organized 42 workshops on food packaging in association with Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Government of India during the last 5 years. As a Vision 2024 of the institute has set its goal to emphasize its activities mainly in 3 areas: export promotion by way of formulating the packaging standards for exportable commodities, upgrading the packaging education by introducing BTech and MTech program in packaging technology and management, packaging research to develop cost-effective, environment-friendly and alternative packaging material for domestic and export market. By achieving 3 areas, the institute is looking forward to get the approval from Department of Commerce, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India as institution of national importance as per Act of Parliament.
The Indian Institute of Packaging is committed to make India as a focal point for contemporary developments in art, science, technology, and engineering in the field of packaging. As the Indian Institute of Packaging celebrates its 50 glorious years, they do not reminisce about the past. They do not ponder on possibilities. They surge headlong into the future with a fresh outlook and new initiatives to achieve the top-ranked position in the world.